Man, I'm bored. Oh!
Yeah!
What?
You wanna have a Nerf War? You wanna have a Nerf War?
Yeah, I have a Nerf War.
Better have.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna have a pistol. The best weapon in the game, son.
I'm gonna have this Vulcan. The second best weapon game.
So you say.
Okay, I'll just go over here.
This is gonna be too easy. He doesn't know what he's gonna be in for.
Man, he has a better gun. All I have is this stupid Vulcan. You ready?
I'm ready!
Okay!
Go! Freak! Whoa! Ah! Sucker! You gotta do better than that! Mate!
Ow!
Give up?
I got a bullet.
Alright, that's it. All I have left is this 44 Magnum. Wait, I gotta make sure I can do my James Bond move. Hold on. Oh! Wow, that's disgusting. Wait, I gotta make sure I can do my James Bond move. Hold on.